question 10 of the additional maths paper 2022. So the first question is find d2y by dx squared. Okay, so when you're doing second differentiation, it's not as bad as it seems. Do first differentiation first. So dy over dx. So remember that power comes in front and times it by 3. So it's 30x to the 9 because we take away 1. And then the second time, we're just doing it from that value that we've just been given. So the only thing is that you have to do a little bit of times in. So 9 times 30, well, that gives us 270x to the 8. And that's it. That's the first question. Now the second question, love this, is a little bit of problem solving. So it says dy by dx and it gives us an answer. So you might not realise, but we're actually going to be integrating this. Okay, so get it back to the original y value, because that's going to help us find out a, b, c. We won't find out d from that, but we can use our value for this bit to help us find d. So the power goes up by 1, and we divide by that number. So going to have y equals 27x to the 3 over 3. 8x squared over 2. 13x, that's technically over 1. I'll write in just so you know it. And plus a c function. And the reason why the c function comes is because it's a value that we don't know. There is going to be slight confusion because obviously we've got c in these values. So I wouldn't mind if you wanted to put a d there, just because that's the only value we're not going to have. Work these out. So we've got 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 13x plus d. So far I've got a equals 9, b equals 4, c equals 13, and I still need to find d. And it says the coefficient of dy by dx. Well, we've already got the first line of dy by dx, so we can do that one more time. So d2y by dx squared. And it's on this original one now. So remember, power going in front. So 54x. And where's my, did I just write 5? Bear with. 54x. And we don't technically need to do anything more because, well, we could do if you wanted to, because it's only 8. There we go, sorted. And it's a 6 of the coefficient. So 1/6 of 54 should give you the answer 9. So D is also 9. So then you could write that in if you wanted to. Raise that D that you've already got and put in that 9. There we go. 6 marks on the page for these ones. So the first one, B1 for the site of 30x to the power of 9. Straight away we've got that. And then second one. So, and then we just needed the B1. Oh, there's the B2. Do you know what? I couldn't find it then because I'd written slightly over it. There we go. If you did put a plus C, they allowed you to have a plus just 1 mark, but just be aware that plus C means it's only for integration. So we shouldn't be writing plus C at all. Next question. So we had B1 for the site of the actual integration, which is what we've done by here, and plus consistency. We got our B1 straight away. Constant, sorry. And then we got, oh, it's either 1 mark for one or the other. So we got a mark there. And then we got 3 marks for our values. So we've got 9, 4, 13, and 9. So if we only had 2 correct, we would have only had 2 marks. If we had 1 correct, we'd only had 1 mark. So it was your 4 marks for that question.